exercise. Nag-meditate po.
Ano mo na siya yung gitawag na walking in the air. So, pag naman isa, kuha siya to make your fatty reducing exercise. No? Mga limban ba mo? So, good morning sa ako iyaan na yung buang. Kasi pa, asa mo yung blanco siya pa. So, more walking on the air. So, let's be happy, no? Don't be sad every day. God is powerful. God is always good, no? So, bless everyone, no? God bless. So, let's go in like this for exercise na pagamay sa atong mga kadaldalan. So let's be doing our first jig.
Continued na sa iyong kuhaan hapka.
Namihikop sa baw.
Kami donut. Shakoy. Ganamon na pikoy.
Yan amo na.
Dinuna ni Bebang.
Tinunuunan nga Nora Honor.
Mura honor. Kamunggay. Ang kamunggay. Almanan.
May naka-harness of gun.
Hello mga ilang bantanon, nag-walking ko kay nag-board in town ko sa balay. So now, I just want to visit to the fish shop. No, I'm looking for different kind of fish. So nag-little bit po siya, nag-sandstorm. Oo. So it's really dusty. No? So what ako nearby my house. So So kapit na ang shop doon na mga 50 walking na lang. So muna akong area dito sa stay. So little bit po ang siya windy. No? Kapingot ko gamay kay murag if too tired if you're always stay at home, no? But be careful and be safe kay find the
I want to try to hold the arrow. Can do?
Fine.
Come, come, come. Come. Oh my god. So this is the... What's the name? Parrot. The big parrot Macau. So this is my new friend. So how much this one? How much? 10,000 dirhams. It's almost 100,000 pesos. So this is very expensive. No, it's my first time. Look at, oh my god. Now, come down, come down, come. Yari, yari. Come. Just a moment. No, my cell phone.
Hello, hello, hello. So what is your name? Huh? What is your name? Macau? Look at, she's pretty. She's pretty, oh my god. Macau, live in Hong Kong. So you know how to play casino, huh? Because your name is Macau. So I'm here in Beach Shop, so I buy something, a small fish with my, yeah, it's a lot of fishes, different kind of fishes here. So I'll buy something. And, yeah, so I have my small aquarium like this. To buy for my new kid. So this is my new friend. Yeah. So let's see what. Oh, the other one is here. Too big. Too big.
good afternoon to everyone. No, thank you for your subscribe my YouTube channel, Iring Banbanong. If you want to share and comment below, and if you don't like to share, just like. I thank you.